breaking. The great Igbo race finally joins the protest in style. See how it's going so far, in what looks like a revenge and mockery to Nigerians, while other tribes are protesting against Tinubu's government. Igbos have decided to pay Nigerians back in kind and love. Hear what they have to say. Meanwhile, dollar hits 1,700 naira. Ibadan protesters have continued to ask Tinubu to resign, while Igbos have rejected the call to participate in the hunger protest, asking Yoruba and the North to face the consequences of their action. If you ever think the zoo called Nigeria will survive this, you have to think twice. A country that hates the truth and those who speak it. And if you dare to oppose them, they will put you in jail or send you on exile. They went to Kenya to rendition Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, thinking they have silenced him, but didn't know his voice comes louder now from the DSS dungeon. In fact, if you want us to join the protest, maybe you should start by speaking up for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the eye that saw the future of Nigeria many years before now. Watch the video.
You can see we are protesting. The Igbos are protesting. We are protesting. You can see all the Igbos. We are protesting. You can see the Igbos. We are protesting. We are protesting. See the Igbos. We are protesting. You can see. We are all protesting. This is how we do our own protest. This is how we do our own protest with the Igbos. You can see how we do our own protest. We are protesting. Yes, yes, yes.
So these men called me that I should come and agree. Yeah. They are flexing. They said they love Tinubu's government, and they say no Igbo man should join any protest.
Yes, sir.
It's way back time.
Yes.
If we want you before and you refuse to leave,
we shall stand. I am mandate, we shall stand.
good government, good for you guys.
life today. He has given me a new favor today. He has given me a new job today. There is joy in my heart today. Abogeti wara akwa nke mbochi ahụ bochiri m. Ịgbanwe nwa makwa mpe tinye m uwe mmeri. Ịgbanwe nwa ọnọdụ ọjọọ ma bụrụ m ihe akụkọ. Ịnapụrụ ndị rom ọchị tinye m ya n'ọnụ.